Hello everyone, I'm Vallam Akshay, degree first year BJC. I'm studying in TSWR AFPDCW Bongir. Today our topic is liquefaction of gases by Claudius method based on adiabatic expansion of gas. Before going to our topic, we have to know what is an adiabatic expansion. An adiabatic process is defined as a process in which no heat transfer takes place. This does not mean that the temperature is constant, but rather that no heat is transferred into or out from the system. It means in a system no heat transfer takes place, and also decrease or increase in temperature, and also no heat is transferred into or out from the system. Now we are going to see Claudius method based on adiabatic expansion principle. This process is based upon the principle that when a gas expands adiabatically against a piston in an engine, it does some external work, hence its internal energy falls and consequently the temperature of the gas falls. This principle combined with the Joule-Thomson effect has been applied in the Claudius process for liquefaction of air. Now we will see process of liquefaction of air or gas. Here we can see a diagram of Claudius method. The air is first freed from moisture and compressed to very high pressures about 200 atmosphere. This compressed air is then passed through a pipe which is bifurcated at C. Then one part of air goes in a cylinder D and expands by moving the piston in outward direction. During this process, some work is done with the expense of internal energy of gas, hence the internal energy of gas decreases and results in the decrease of temperature. And then the second part of air goes through the spiral tube. The air that passes through the spiral tube is cooled by Joule-Thomson effect as it comes out through the jet in low pressures at 50 atmosphere, and then the cool air pumped again into initial tube to high pressures about 200 atmosphere, and the process is repeated till the air liquefied. It will be repeated several times till the air liquefied. I hope you all understand my video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.